Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today I'm sharing my laundry routine. I've shared how I do laundry in other cleaning videos, but I have yet to produce one that's just about laundry. We are a family of 4. I have 3 kids if you're new here, and we create a lot of laundry. I hope you all enjoy this video and pick up some tips along the way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Now let's get started. The first thing I do is collect the laundry from the bathrooms, then take them into the laundry room and sort by whites, lights, darks, towels, and bedding. I only do laundry once a week. A few days ago, I found a green crayon melted down in the dryer. I tried to get off as much as I could. It was all over my towels, so I'm re-washing those. Now that everything is separated, I'm starting with the darks. I'm using 2 Tide detergent pods for a large load and my Method scent beads. My settings are heavy duty, cold water, high spin, and a heavy soil level because my kids' uniforms are in here and they come home really dirty. While the first load is going, I'm going to strip the beds and make them again. Usually I have something else to do in my videos while laundry is going, but since this is just about laundry today, I decided to change up my room a little bit and include that. Also change the kids' sheets to kill some time in between. The dark load is finished washing now, so I'm transferring it into the dryer, then putting the light colors in. What I consider to be a light load is light pinks, purples, blues, grays, most of my kids' activewear, and their khakis. I'm adding in 2 Tide Pods. This is the free and clear one I've been using recently, my method scent beads, and I'm using the exact same settings as I did for the dark load. Sometimes I'll use the Eco Warm setting, it's just depending on the soil level. For the clothing in the dryer, I'm setting it to a normal dry, medium heat, and wrinkle free. I use medium dry levels so our clothing will not shrink. In total, I had 7 loads of laundry. 6 is usually pretty standard on weeks that I wash all of the linens. The towels that had crayon on them were a bonus load this week. My washer and dryer are really big, so I can do massive loads at a time, which I'm so grateful for. Emir is next to me jumping on his trampoline, which he loves. I bought this on Amazon. Karima from Guilt Free Mama suggested it to me, saying her son loves it too, so I bought it right away. He's all over this thing. He had the big bouncy ball on there too. Now he does like flips and all that. I thought it was hilarious. Oh, the blue crayon on the floor was one of the 2 little ones, but you know how that goes. Nobody remembers who did it. Back into the laundry room to switch the load. When I'm doing a lot of laundry like today, I don't wait to put in the next load. I dump the dirty ones on the floor or somewhere else and start another load. You'll see me do that a few times throughout the process. The wet ones can go into a basket or on top of the dryer while I wait for either machine to be clear. For my towels, sheets, and blankets, I'm adding in 2 Tide Pods, scent beads, and my settings are heavy duty, hot water, high spin, and a high soil level, hoping the remaining crayon comes out. The baskets out here are from the girls' room. This is how I store their clothes. Since their room is shared and they didn't have room for like a actual dresser, this is how I store them. I brought them out here to make it easier for me to sort right away. The activewear and undergarments I don't fold. The pajamas get roughly folded and the tops or dresses all get hung. Everything is put away because I need the couch area to fold all of the linens. I thought to share more clips of me switching laundry, but really the folding part is most popular on my channel. I like the look of it too, so after I put the last few comforters into wash, I'll show you my settings, then fold it all at once in an epic folding time lapse. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the end. That is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, share it with a friend. If you aren't already, follow me on Instagram for updates. And since we cannot comment here, you can ask me your questions there. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.